Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the kernel security check failure blue screen error in Windows 11. First, repair your Windows system files. Press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This command checks your Windows image for corruption and downloads any required files to repair it. The process can take several minutes, so wait until it reaches 100%. After it finishes, type the following command and press Enter. sfc/scano. The System File Checker will scan your computer for damaged or missing system files and automatically replace them with healthy copies whenever possible. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer and check if the blue screen error has been resolved. If the problem continues, test your computer's memory. Press the Windows key, type Windows Memory Diagnostic, and open the tool. Select Restart Now and check for problems. Your computer will restart and perform a memory test before Windows loads. When the test is complete, Windows will boot normally and display the results. If memory errors are detected, one of your RAM sticks may be loose or failing. Turn off your computer. Reseat the RAM modules if you're comfortable doing so, or replace the faulty memory if necessary. Thanks for watching.